welcome to my channel. Over here I'm going to show you how to connect your Xblog to your analytics and search console. So over here you can see on my analytics I've already connected the Xblog to analytics. So the only thing you need to do is to get the measure ID. So you could see after connecting it, you just need to, after following all the procedures, you only have to get the measure ID. So once you get the measure ID, you have to copy the measure ID. Now after you copy the measure ID, so over with this one, just ignore this. Then that's the measure ID. You can see that's the measurement ID. You copy it, then move to your Xblog dashboard. So on your Xblog, you have to locate you have to check for, that's the basic configuration. Then scroll down. When you scroll down to the basic configuration, you see Google Analytics 4, then paste the code over there. Now once you paste, click on application to save. Once it is done, so I'm going to just translate it to English. Okay, so once it is done, you move to your Google Analytics, then go to the admin, move to the administration, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see search console link. Then you have to link it to search console. Click on link, then over here click on choose account. When you choose account, then click on add a property. Click on add a property. If you have a property, it will display it down there, so click on add property, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will open the email you want to use to, then click on add property again. Use the URL prefix option. Don't use the domain, use the URL prefix. Copy your website link, then click on verify property. Wait for it to verify. Once it's done, click on go to property. Now let's index it. So over here you're going to go to sitemap, move to your sitemap. So for you to get it, so you could see we do it slash html, that's sitemap.xml, then click on enter to search. So you could see this is our sitemap. So we're just going to copy that URL. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do like and share, and also comment. If you don't understand anything, kindly leave a comment at the comment section. So we move here, we go to sitemaps. Now okay, instead of us to paste, you can paste or you can type sitemap.xml. So let me clear this. Now click on submit. When you click on submit, now you could see we've been able to submit the sitemap successfully. We submitted it to index it. And this is the second option, where you can also put only the site name, only the Xblog, that's your Xblog website URL. Then click on search. This is retrieving the data from Google. So you could see the URL is on Google. Then you can choose to click on request indexing. So it is testing if live URL can be indexed. So this takes a few minutes, takes a minute or 2 minutes to do the test of that, testing if live URL can be indexed. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and comment. So as you can see, it is already indexed, so we're good to go. So you can come here, set of sitemap, we can choose you can see, go to your site. So let's say you pick any of these posts I have, get all you have, then go back, this same option, you can paste it here, then click on search.